There are two ways to control the functions in the Audi TT MMI system, through the console controls and the steering wheel controls. Let's look at the console controls first. The center knob is a multifunction control. Turning it scrolls through menus and options. Pressing it activates selected choices. The pad is a touch-sensitive input device for entering alphanumeric characters and moving the cursor or crosshairs. Press the control knob to turn on the crosshairs in navigation mode. With one finger, you can move the crosshairs on the map. With two fingers, you can move the map around the crosshairs. Shifting the knob forward opens the alphanumeric address entry screen. The two function switches above the control knob let you select specific features: navigation, telephone, radio, and media. The navigation selection toggles between the destination entry screen and the map view. The telephone selection accesses the contact directory when a phone is paired. The radio function switch toggles between FM, AM, and Sirius XM radio band options, as well as presets and last stations. And the media function toggles through your available media inputs, including Bluetooth, USB devices, SD cards, and so on. The two buttons on either side of the knob are control buttons, whose function depends on the feature you're using. The left button opens the selection menu showing the available actions, as well as additional modes such as destination choices or radio band selections. The right button opens the options menu, allowing you to select and confirm settings in the mode you're using, such as optional route criteria or voice guidance while in navigation. The back button will return you back to the previous menu list for that function. While in spelling mode, pressing the back button will delete the last character entered. Pressing and holding will delete the entire entry. The menu button returns you to the main menu. The console controls give you access to all of the user-controllable functions and options available in the MMI. But the steering wheel controls give you most of the same functionality without taking your hands off the wheel. On the left, the arrows let you toggle displays between vehicle, media, telephone, navigation, and MMI settings in the virtual cockpit. The control buttons on either side of the thumb wheel have the same function as the console controls. Left for the selection menu, right for the options menu. You can then use the thumb wheel to scroll through available selections. Pressing the thumb wheel selects the highlighted choice. The thumb wheel also zooms the map view when in navigation mode. The return arrow replicates the function of the back button in the console, going back through recent selections. And the view button changes the virtual cockpit display from classic to extended view, reducing or enlarging the gauges. On the right, the talk button is for using voice recognition commands for Bluetooth connected telephone or navigation. The telephone button is pressed to answer or end a call. When no call is active, it will display the recent call list. You can select from the list to make a call. There is also a volume thumb wheel for audio levels. Pressing it mutes the audio. The nav button will repeat the last navigation instruction received. The left and right arrow buttons advance or return through music tracks or radio stations. Pressing and holding will fast forward or rewind an audio track. The programmable steering wheel button allows the driver to select a specific function for the button, such as switching the navigation map from day to night, radio to media, and other available options. To program the function, press the menu button, then choose Vehicle, and select the left control button, then Vehicle Settings, and then Steering Wheel button. The function for the button can be chosen from the list. The controls in your Audi TT are designed to let you use them in the way that suits you best. When you're driving an Audi TT, you're in control.